Hi everybody, this is Kyle from Icon Poly. And for those of you that don't know what Icon Poly is a 3D custom fabrication company out in central Nebraska. We make all kinds of stuff and we use all kinds of different processes to make that stuff, from 3D milling, 3D printing, hand sculpting, sculpting of foam, sculpting of high density foam, sculpting of clay. We also make a lot of molds out of silicone, urethane, and then hybrid molds, silicone and urethane hybrid. So what we're going to do is we're going to refocus on our YouTube channel. We've had one for quite some time, but we kind of let it go and we just didn't maintain it. But we're going to refocus on it and bring you a lot of how-to videos. And those how-to videos are going to show you all kinds of different stuff on how we do what we're gonna do. And we're not gonna set these videos up and do them in a controlled environment. We're gonna do them in our shop as we're doing a project. So they ought to be pretty cool because you're gonna see us make mistakes and screw ups and everything else. But we're going to bring them to you then, and then we'll explain to you everything that you need to know so you can do this stuff yourself. We're also gonna tell you about all the products that we use, all the materials that we use, how long it takes to do stuff, and all the cool stuff that everybody forgets to tell people in how-to videos. You know, making molds, making reproductions, and doing sculptures is as much art as it is science. So a lot of times you can do the same thing in a different shop and you might not get the same results, but we'll be able to explain to you why you did not get those results. So in our videos, this is one thing that's been keeping us from being able to make videos in the past, is we have private stuff that we work on for companies. Now, it's not stuff that we don't want to show you. We'd love to show it to you, but we're under contractual obligations with the companies that we're working for, so we cannot show it to you. So in our videos, like this right over here, you're gonna see blurs once in a while. We'd love for you to see what it is, but it's a project that will not be able to be viewed by the public until the project is released. So if you want to check out some of the other videos that we've already done, we have a cool sculpting video on how to detail out a foam sculpture using EPS foam. You should check that out. Also, you need to like and subscribe to our channel, and then you'll get notifications. If you hit the bell, you'll get notifications, and when we put up more videos, you'll be able to go in and watch those. Some of them will pertain to what you want to do, some of them won't, but we guarantee you they're all going to be pretty interesting. So thank you and stay tuned.